Okay, so again, I need to show if this is a tautology or not, and this is going to be actually quite long because I have 3 prime propositions. So I'm going to actually show you a different way of doing the truth table in this case. So I write out my prime propositions. I have P, Q, and R. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to write them out so that I have with some space in between. Okay, so I have 3 prime propositions. That means I'm going to have 8 lines in my truth table. So again, the same trick. Half of the 8 is going to be true and half is going to be false. I have 2 trues, 2 falses, and I alternate between that. And I alternate in the last column here, true and false. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy out the p's again right here. So I have true, 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 false, 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 false. In this column, I'm going to do the negation of q, so that's false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. And then I'll put the values of the and in between it right here. So I have T and F, that's false. I have T and F, that again, that's false. T and T, that's true. T and T, that's true. F and F, that's false. False, false, false. Okay, so I've done the inside of this bracket now. I can do the inside of this bracket over here. So again, I'm going to copy out my Q values. I have true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And under the R column, I'm going to do the negation of it. So I have false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Okay. And then I take my ruler, I'm just going to divide this. Okay, so again, I do the and in between the 2 columns here. So T and F, that's false. True. It should be aligned a little better here. So false and false, that's still false. There's false, false, true, false, and false. Okay, so now I've done the inside of these brackets here. I'm going to do this OR value so that, because I have the square brackets here first, because again, I have my order of operations. So I need to use this column and this column. So I need to do that. And it's the OR. So at least one of them has to be true for this to be true. So T, so let me just see. I have F and F. So that is false. F and T, that's false. Or sorry, that's true. T and F, that's true. T and F, that's true. F and F, that's false. F and T, that's true, false, and false. Okay. And I have this one inside here, so I'm just going to copy out my R values. I have T, F, T, F, T, F, TF, and then I do the negation of P, so that's 4 F's in a row, 2 T's in a row, or sorry, 4 F's, 4 T's, and then I'm going to do the inside because I have the and. So I have to have both of these have to be true for this to be true. So this is false, 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 true, false, true, false. Okay, so this is the last one that I need. And to do the OR, I need to do the OR of this entire bracket here with this one over here. So the entire value for this bracket proposition here is just this column here, and then right along here is where the value for that. So I need to, so it's this one and this one right here. Okay, so I need to do the OR. So I need to do F or F, that's false. T or F, that's true. T or F, that's true. T or F, that's true. F or T, that's true. T or F, that's true. I have F or T, so that's true. And lastly, that's false. So I have 1, 2 falses in this column here. So therefore, it is not a tautology. So then we just finish this off. Therefore, it is not a tautology.